The GLOVIA G2 interface provides flexible grid control. This allows for efficient sorting, changes to column views, replacement of rows, and grouping of search data. As a result, users can tailor a preferred environment for themselves. An alert list allows users to link directly to detailed data, and a messaging function enables the sharing of work requests with colleagues, thereby encouraging enterprise-wide interaction. The GLOVIA G2 screen view can also be simplified as required. Settings can be modified to display only those fields needed for each customer. Further individual customization is possible via functions such as hiding from display certain default fields, buttons, tabs, and groups. This helps to minimize system deployment costs, simplify end-user training, and reduce the risk of operator error. The current operating status is displayed in the GLOVIA G2 portal screen immediately after logging in. The system analyzes ERP data in real time and pushes red alert notifications of critical issues to appropriate users. GLOVIA G2 allows users to simply output data in an easy-to-understand graphical format, providing them with updates of the latest information anywhere, anytime. This ensures an intuitive understanding of each business unit's production status, as well as the sales situation and inventory levels. Manufacturing operations and scheduling are connected in real time when GLOVIA G2 is deployed. The factory planning management function clearly highlights critical information such as production capacity, workload, and schedule via Gantt charts and graphs. On the factory planning management screen, users can easily check current stock levels and then take immediate action via the operations screens to ensure adequate stock levels are maintained. This results in improved decision-making on the factory floor and leads to enhanced inventory management.
Fujitsu, shaping tomorrow with you.